What's up, world? Always Adventure Homestead here. I got Miss Casey here today. Well, today we got a big project ahead of us here. You see in the background here, we've got the crane, and we got the lift, and we got Wes, and we got Buddy Ray here. We are on the Barlow Farm, Smithfield, Virginia, and farm dates back to the 1900s, probably the 50s, probably. And so what we're going to be doing here, what we have on the agenda is silo number 1. This little silo here, it's a Martin silo. Most people are familiar with the Butlers. And look at this here, it's cool. The old farmhouse is way back over here where they kept all the hogs and all that. This is a big old grain barn here. You can see all the chutes right there. But anywho, that's on the agenda today, is to take down these 2 silos and we're going to repurpose them, right? Going to repurpose them and turn them into probably an outdoor eating area, hangout area, fire pit.
You'll have to follow along to see.
Huh?
You'll have to follow along to see.
Yeah. So y'all stick with us. All right, so we're going to get the lift off here. We got to trim a bunch of these limbs on both of these silos here, away from both of these silos, so we can access them with the crane, lift them up, and disassemble them. Get this lift off of here.
On silo number 2.
All right, we've mostly got everything trimmed away from the silos now. Now it's a little bit of cleanup. So we're going to use the mini and get the stuff out of here. Take 5,000. Alrighty, well, for this next leg here, we're going to take the crane and we're going to back it up, pull it into here, get it set up, and get boomed out. See if we can pick this silo up, walk it towards us, get it out of the briars and stuff. If we can pick it up successfully, then we're going to start taking the bottom rings, set it down, start taking the rings from the bottom up. All right? Alrighty, we got her up in the air, y'all. Got the crane set up. We got it up in the air. She is off the ground. And now we're going to start taking these bottom rings off. Here's the plan. Ring by ring by ring. Set it down. Another ring, set it down. See how it goes. Go ahead, Wes, pull them up.
Alrighty, guys. So they're starting with the door first, since the door goes up the first 3 rings. Gonna get the door done and then get those first 3 rings off, and it should be easy from there.
Go ahead, Rick. Yeah, you gotta start with the door because it's holding the first 3 rings. Yeah. Making some progress. Got the door off. Got a big old door. We're working our way on around now. Layer off, drop it down, layer off, drop it down. Like I say, I think we're going to keep the roof and one layer up top where it says the name Martin. All right. All right, everybody, into day one. Getting the silos down. Got this one down here. The other one we may still try to get, or try to get a different one. Kind of concerned about this tree that's right on the back side of it. It's leaning really hard. So anyway, we got this one down and the ring down and the door off. Just want to show you real quick. Got the door off. That's a little bit of a pain. I got that off. I got the lift loaded up. Got the crane still up in the air, holding this, or a little bit of pressure on it. And
show you all the inside. It was propped up on those boards.
Also, we had a good surprise. Mr. Barlow, who owns the farm, his parents, I guess, bought it originally. And he stopped by. He's 86 years old. We talked about everything. Smart guy. Really smart guy. He's kind of seen it all. Talked and talked and talked. Actually shared some yellow watermelon that we had brought back from Carolina. Said he never had yellow watermelon. And it was good. He stopped by. We got a photo of him, or a photo with us, so we can hang up in the silo. He said his dad bought the farm when he was 10 years old. So, and he's 86. So there you go. So good day, and that kind of capped it off. And what else?
Pretty much it.
Pretty much it. All right. Well, we'll be back out here tomorrow to get this one down and see if we can get another one down. And y'all stick with us. Good morning, everybody. Always Adventure Homestead, day 2 on the silo removal. Day 2 out here at the Barlow farm. So I'm going to get this one taken apart and hoping on taking that one apart. If not, I think we've got another option. Y'all stick around and we'll see y'all soon. It's cool little, like a little hut, huh? All right. Open that doorway up, man, it'd almost be good like that, really. All right, y'all, we'll figure out what we're going to do with this. This is a Martin brand. Most of them are Butlers. These back here in the back, you see there's like 6 of them. Those are Butlers. This one's a Martin. You see it right there, M-A-R-T-I-N. All right, y'all stick with us. Set the silo over here out of the way, out the work area, and tear these rings apart. I think moving forward, we're just going to take and drop each one down individually. So there's a short one where the door was, and that's a regular size one there. But we got the crane set up, truck out here, trailer, the other silos, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's 6 over there. But yep. All right, get this thing apart and get on to that next one. What's just left?
Alrighty guys, we're gonna pick this up so that way we can get some more rings off. Got some started, got a few disassembled and put on the trailer.
Through the door if you can, get out from under it as soon as you can.
That's where the doorway was. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna get this silo lowered onto the trailer you see right here. See how much is hanging off. Hopefully it's not a lot, but they're going to see how much is hanging off, see if we can try and get it centered up a little more, or what the case will be. Alrighty, they're off on their way now. And down the road they go.